I discovered a new feature on my LinkedIn company page that you may find valuable. And I'm doing this video, not only A, to show it to you, but B, to demonstrate if it works. If it works properly, when I post this YouTube video, it should show up on my LinkedIn company page. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm viewing it as a member. I'm gonna switch over here and view my company page as an admin. On the company page, now, if this is brand new to you, it's going to show up here under today's action, but it's not brand new to me because I've already done it. But what it is, it's under settings. I can manage content sharing. Under manage content sharing, you can basically connect to an RSS feed of your website or your YouTube channel. Now, I've got it connected to my YouTube channel. I don't know why I've called it company blog. But basically what you do is you connect this external content source connection to, again, your blog or your YouTube channel, and it'll connect to the RSS feed. And when you have a new blog post or a new YouTube video, it should show up on your LinkedIn company page. Now, if you look at that, I hit the edit. You can see that I gave it a title. I should have used the category YouTube. I've changed that. And you can see that I'm already connected to the YouTube RSS feed. Now, the way you do that, you find RSS. And when you do find RSS, I got to put in www.youtube.com @Burriss, find RSS feed, and it comes back and finds the RSS feed, and you just simply add that. And so that's all it takes. Just get the RSS feed, hit save. Now, I kind of thought it'd be cool to have another one, but it only lets me have one source at this point. So it's connected. Now, if it's working right, you should be able to, after you view this video, you should be able to go to my LinkedIn company page, go to post, and you should see that right here, that this YouTube video right here should be the newest thing that shows up. You know what? Let me go finish this video, put it on YouTube, and we'll see if it shows up.